Dyson OnTrac review. Dyson has unveiled the Dyson OnTrac, a cutting-edge headset that brings a new level of innovation to audio technology. This headset is distinguished by its sophisticated active noise cancellation system, extended battery life, and customizable design options. Let's dive into the Dyson OnTrac review. Hey there. I'll just need a minute of your time. Remember, you're the reason I keep going. So, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and give this video a like. It would mean the world to me. Now, let's get into the video. The Dyson OnTrac is equipped with a unique ANC algorithm supported by 8 microphones. This technology allows external sounds to be analyzed 384,000 times per second, effectively reducing unwanted noise by up to 40 decibels. The system is integrated with the My Dyson app, which monitors and reports external noise in real time. With a sound frequency range spanning from 6 Hz to 21 kHz, these headphones deliver crystal clear audio across all frequencies, from deep bass to sharp treble. The 40mm, 16-ohm neodymium speaker drivers, paired with advanced audio signal processing technology, ensure that every sound detail is precisely rendered. Additionally, the 13-degree tilt of the speaker housing directs sound more effectively toward the ear. The Dyson OnTrac boasts an impressive battery life of up to 55 hours. 2 high-capacity lithium-ion batteries are embedded in the headband, providing a balanced weight distribution. Certified by US Ergonomics, the headset ensures comfort even during prolonged wear. The ear cushions, made from soft microfiber and premium foam, add an extra layer of comfort. Now it's your turn. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Dyson OnTrac offers personalization with 4 distinct color choices and various combinations of outer covers and ear cushions. The metallic gray, metallic copper, ceramic gloss red, and metallic black finishes highlight the durable and stylish design. The outer covers are crafted from lightweight and robust aluminium with either ceramic or anodized finishes. These headphones also feature capacitive sensors that automatically pause the music when removed from the ear, an intuitive control button, and dual beam-forming microphones. Integrated with the My Dyson app, it provides real-time audio monitoring and allows users to choose from 3 custom equalizer modes. I've noticed that many headphone manufacturers often highlight the maximum battery life of their products, typically under the condition that noise cancelling is turned off. You'll sometimes see claims of up to 60 or even 80 hours, but these figures usually apply when the feature you'd most likely use all the time is disabled. It's more accurate to focus on the battery life with ANC activated, which is exactly what Dyson does, and its results are indeed impressive. Regardless of the color combination you choose, the Dyson OnTrac headphones have an eye-catching design. I test a lot of headphones, and it's not common for my colleagues to take much interest in most of the pairs I try. However, with these, I received numerous comments and noticed people staring at me while I was wearing them. Dear friend, thank you for watching. If you'd like to make my day, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and give this video a like. A kind comment would also mean a lot to me.